Good evening, everyone. This is Vinod. This is our Excel exam series 4.0 video number 1 in 2016 core exam 77727. In this logic, we are about to cover the first topic today, that is called create and manage worksheet and workbook. I'm going to add one video at a time. So I'm going to add 4 videos for this create and manage series of data. I'm going to create workbook and worksheet, navigation of worksheets, format of worksheets, and customize options of worksheet and workbook. In today's first video, I'm going to try and add create and manage data. So I have 4 topics to cover here. So normally this is a very simple certification examination where you can crack easily if you know Excel a little bit. The only thing that we need to learn when you are working with this logic is you have to be a little faster and you have to think on your foot. So if you can able to do that, then I think this is a very easy exam to crack. It is not as cumbersome as our next exam that we are about to see called Excel Expert. Whether you're writing 2019 or 2016 version, it will be a testing point when you write an examination. It is not a testing point when you learn it. It is how you manage your time properly. So based on that, your exam can be done. And if you are good at something, you can achieve very fast. If scoring 1000 is also easier. Your minimum mark is scoring 70 and passing this exam needs 700 marks to score out of 1000. So you'll be answering somewhere around 25 to 30 questions. So the following are the topics that you have to be prepared before you write your examination. You can take up a demo exam and then you can write doing it. So today we are going to see how to work with the very, very simple logic of it. The only logic which will be a little complicated for those who are not using the latest version of Excel, that is importing of data using a text and file format. Again, if you have access to a larger data point, probably you would have come across this earlier in your earlier version of Excel itself. Now it is far more easier. So they'll ask you to create a brand new workbook generally. So they'll ask you to create one. So you can just go back and go to the file and add a new file here and add a new blank workbook, and then you can save them to a respective place where they ask you to save it. Probably they'll ask you to save it in a document file. Normally when you close an Excel sheet, you will get to know, or it will go directly to a file here. So now I'm going to just save this. So when I click the save button here or Control S, it automatically takes you to the document. But again, I have used this file from a different component. So I'm just adding this list here called first worksheet. I already have a sheet here. So I'm going to just say save it and replace it. So this is how we create a new workbook in Excel. Sometimes the question will be that they would like to, they ask you to pull a data inside an Excel sheet, which is a text format which lies in a particular place. So what I can do is if I want to import a data into Excel from a different format, then I use the data tab and I can see the components are available sometime on top of a screen. Sometime it may not be available if they ask you to give or import an XML file. Probably you have to go to the get data to get the file added. Again, your questions will be very simple here. So you're going to just pull the data from this list. I've already used it once, so it shows you the file for me. Now I'm going to take one of the file that is text in nature. Let me see whether I have something else here. So I don't have it. So let me take one data which is here. Then it automatically opens the next box for us, which is called a Spark Query Editor. And if you are new to 2016 or 19 version, you can see this as a list. And if you are sure that the data are perfect, then I can just use the first option called close and load or load to. If they are asking you to add it to a brand new sheet, then you can just click the load button here. If they're asking you to add it to the existing sheet, please use the second option called close and load to or load to. Then it'll ask you a question where you want to add it. So I'm going to add this to a particular cell and then I'm going to give an OK. So it automatically adds the data for me in my list here. So you can see that 12 lines are added to our list. Sometimes they'll ask you to add a sheet here. So I'm going to just add a sheet here. When I click this, it automatically adds a sheet before our active sheet. So they'll ask you to rename it and then put it at the flag end of our data. So I'm going to rename it They'll ask you to move this sheet to the rightmost part of your Excel sheet exists. So I'm going to just drag it to the last component here. So now it moves to the last point. This is how we work with our adding a sheet and moving the sheet. Sometimes they'll ask you to move the sheet to multiple sheets. Now I have the introduction video file with me now. So I'm going to move this sheet and keep a copy of it here. So I'm going to give a right click here. I'm going to say move or copy, go to the previous sheet, and then I'm going to create a copy in here, and I'm going to give a OK here. So now it adds a copy of the data to my new sheet, and it also have it on its list. Sometimes they'll ask you to move it, not to copy it. So I want to move this sheet to that point, then I'm going to just say move. And I'll select the sheet where I want to move it. I'm going to just give an OK, not to create a copy of it, so that this sheet will be moved to that workbook. So now this is moved to the next workbook. This is not anymore available in my previous workbook where I've created my sheets earlier and moved it out. So this is how we deal with our 1.1 series. We had 4 topics here: creating a workbook, importing our data using a text file with a delimitation in it, and add a worksheet to the existing workbook, and copy or move the sheets to other point. So this is how we will add our list. Let me add other videos. So we will cover the first chapter, create and manage worksheet and workbook in 2016 77727 examination series. Hope you enjoy this video. Please learn it. Once you complete this entire course content, probably you are ready to write the examination of your choice. Expert or core. My next video is on Excel Expert 2016 77728 series. That video is following with this videos. Hope you enjoy this particular video. This is Vinod signing out from iSelf Academy, a Microsoft authorized testing center for all Microsoft product, including Microsoft technical certification like Microsoft Office 365 fundamentals and Azure 365 fundamentals, Power Platform, and Dynamic 365. Keep learning, keep updating, prepare yourself for this. If you want these worksheets, I will add them to the link below the video. You can enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Continue learning. This is Vinod signing out from Excel Snippet, Excel Exam Series 4.0. Thank you so much.